And of course, this is our biggest source up so far. Ito po yung pinakamalaki namin na stock. So, gaya po na sinasabi namin kanina na sold out po namin, kaya malaki po yung pasasalamat namin sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat sa po. Next time po, ganito pa rin po, or mas dadami po tayo. Yun po yung pinapangarap namin. Kaya, let's enjoy this night and thank you so much, HC Singapore. Maraming salamat po.
And of course, syempre in every stops, we do this. At syempre, hindi makakaligtas ang Singapore. Are you guys game to do the Dungka Challenge? Are you guys down for it? Everyone please stand up and let's do the Dungka Challenge! Stand up, stand up! Are you guys ready? Okay, if everyone's ready, let's go! Just follow me, okay? Follow me. Are you guys ready? I want your energy, okay? 1, 2, 1, 2. This time, be loud. 18, let's go!
Siyempre, hindi na mawawala na nakatayo na naman kayo. Let's all do the groovy. Okay, let's have a groovy. Okay, let's do it. And a count